Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is profit and loss. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So let's get started without further delay. Here is the next problem statement. The owner of the cell phone shop charges 23% more than the cost price. If a customer paid $70.11 for a cell phone, find the cost price of the cell phone. Here is an answer with explanation. Let the cost price equals 100. The owner sells the phone on the price 23% more than the cost price. So, the selling price is 100 plus 23 is equal to 123. As given, the customer has to pay $7,011 to purchase the cell phone. If the selling price is 123, the cost price is 100. If the selling price is 1, the cost price is 100 divided by 123. If the selling price is $70.11, then cost price equals 100 divided by 123 multiplied by $70.11. That gives us $5,700. Here is the problem statement. The profit percent gained if an object is sold at $464 is equals to the loss percent when the object is sold at $436. Find the cost price of this object. Here is an answer with explanation. Profit equals selling price cost price. Loss equals cost price selling price. Next, selling price in case of profit is $464. Selling price in case of loss is $436. And the loss percent equals profit percent. So, cost price selling price equals selling price cost price. Let cost price equals x. X 436 is equal to 464x. 2x equals 464 plus 436. 2x equals 900. X equals 450. Here is the next problem statement. The cost price of 30 articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles. What is the profit percentage in this transaction? Here is an answer with explanation. Let the cost price of each article be $1. Cost price of 25 articles equals $25. Selling price of 25 articles equals CP. Of 30 articles equals $30. Profit equals profit multiplied by selling price cost price equals 30/25 is equal to $5. Profit percent equals profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. Profit percent equals profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. Profit equals selling price cost price. Loss equals cost price selling price. Next, selling price in case of profit is 464. Selling price in case of loss is 436. Here is the next problem statement. After selling 140 apples, a fruit seller earns a profit equal to selling price of 20 apples. His profit percentage is? Here is an answer with explanation. Let selling price of 140 apples be $140. Profit equals selling price of 20 apples equals $20. Cost price equals selling price profit, which is 140 minus 20 is equal to 120. Profit percent equals profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Profit percent equals 20 divided by 120 multiplied by 100 is equal to 16.7%. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the selling price for earlier solved problem 7. Define the cost price, selling price and sold price member variables and initialize them. Next, the cost price is calculated. The last step is to return the cost price. Here I am printing the cost price by calling profit-loss method. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the cost price for earlier solved problem 8. Here I am printing the selling price by calling profit-loss method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the cost price for earlier solved problem 9. Define the selling price and cost price member variables and initialize them. Next, profit is the difference between. The last step is to return the profit percentage. Here I am printing the profit percentage by calling profit-loss method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.